I didn't always feel that way. I remember a time when I was kicked out of my parents' home. I was dragged to the door and I was pushed out. I felt unwanted and unloved and unworthy. I was angry. My mother and I had been fighting for years, and she had finally given up on me. I remember walking into the room at the shelter that would be my home for the next year. I looked at the off-white walls and the bare white floor. I looked at that bare wood dresser and that ugly wood bed. I remember just feeling so empty. The room's emptiness matched the emptiness that I felt inside. And I grew angrier and angrier. And I asked God, why? Why? Why did you leave me here to feel trapped, to feel unwanted, to feel unloved, to feel unworthy? And I grew angrier and angrier and angrier. I began to pull the drawers out of the dresser. I began to push the bed. I pulled the curtains from the window, and I cried. I cried and I cried. I broke down and I cried until I had no more energy to cry. And in the stillness, I heard a voice that said, "Why not you? I chose you. I chose you to deliver this very message." And I found refuge in writing. I found refuge in creating. I fell in love with creating music. That was my safe place. Until safe was no longer good enough, I wanted freedom. My name is Barbara, and I am the creator of the Freedom Project, an album that speaks about my journey on self-love and finding freedom. I invite you to join me to find your own journey of freedom at barbarbmusic.com. Thank you.